So let me tell you the truth. A new year is not going to change your business until you change the way you've been running it. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you business mistakes you should stop making in 2025 if you want to actually make money and grow. So make sure you watch to the end of this video, because I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to open your eyes, and you don't know the particular mistake you'll be making. So that's why you have to watch till the end. And by the end of this video, you're going to find out why I'm holding this cake, and I'm going to be eating it right here at the end. Hello, amazing people. If you're just coming across my face for the first time, hi, my name is Precious, and in my last video, I thanked my 1000 subscribers, but today we are at 1059 subscribers. So I decided to blow a candle right here to celebrate 1059 amazing people. So if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Precious, and on this channel, we're all about business ideas, business growth tips, and making money online in general. So in this channel, I'll be teaching lots of things. I'll be bringing people here to teach us. I'll also be going out, doing research, and bringing it here for you. I'll also be teaching AI tools and a lot of things. If you're not yet a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Do also join this amazing family. So let's light our candle and let's blow it. Ah. So this is to 1059 amazing people. So let's dive right in, please. So the first mistake business owners make is running a business without clarity. Too many people are just selling without a particular direction. You don't know your target audience, you don't know your brand message, you don't know why people should choose you. So what you need right now is clarity. You should know what you sell, who you sell to, and why those people should choose you, what they stand to benefit from buying from you. So if your business can't be explained in just one sentence, then you're doing something wrong. So I'm going to leave something on the screen right now. You can screenshot it or you can write it down. This tip will help you explain your business in just one sentence. You're going to say I sell, you input your product or your services, then to the type of people you're selling to your target audience now, so they can benefit this. So this one line can change everything for you. So the second mistake business owners make is not putting your product online. This is 2025 and you're still not online, or you're not showing online consistently. Maybe you posted today and the next time that they will see you on your Instagram page is 1 month later. So if you're not online, people buy from people they see. If they don't see you, how would they know that you're selling this particular thing or you're offering this particular service? So you need to put yourself constantly online. So if you don't put yourself online in 2026, your competitors will eat your market share. They're going to take your customers away from you. So what you have to do, you should post your process, you post your testimonials, you post your packaging. Just post and be visible so that people would see you. Okay, so the third mistake business owners make is selling like everyone. Your business looks and sound like everybody else in your niche, your customers will just scroll past you. So you need to study your competitors, don't copy them, study them and look at what is working, and then change it to your own unique voice, your own unique style, your own unique packaging, and your own unique customer experience. Okay, so the truth is that people don't really buy from the best, they buy from people that actually stand out. So here's a tip: you can use storytelling and just be authentic. One of that mistake business owners make is ignoring customers experience. Customer service is one of the biggest problem of businesses in Nigeria presently. So most people focus on selling and not retaining. So if your customers always have to chase you for updates, or you're rude in your DMs, then you're losing money. So in 2026, make sure you prioritize speed, communication, and also learn how to appreciate your customers, because most of these customers, they will end up referring you, and trust me, customers that you get from referrals are the most sweetest and stress free. So make sure you reply your DMs fast, you deliver on time, you follow up politely, and after sales you still check up on them, and that's how small business actually grow fast. This next mistake I'm going to talk about is very crucial. So let me know in the comment section if you're a business owner and you've ever bought a sales or marketing book? Let me know in the comment section. And this is what make big businesses stand out from small businesses. So this brings me to the next mistake business owners make, which is not learning sales and marketing. Trust me, you cannot pray your way into sales. Most of these big businesses, they make research, they learn. If you notice, small businesses, most of you prefer to just scroll through YouTube and watch movies, watch comedy, and you don't take your time to learn. So that's one thing you need to stop this 2025. You need to learn how to make sales and also learn the acts of marketing. So no matter how beautiful your product is, if you don't know how to sell it, it's not to just be lying down in your room. And there's something called the psychology of selling. So before 2025, make sure you study sales and marketing like your life actually depends on it, because it does. How to write captions that actually convert, how to position yourself, and how to close sales online. It's not the best product that actually wins, it's the best seller that does. So throughout this year, I've been making research and I've been taking courses worth thousands of naira on sales and marketing, and I've decided to put all my knowledge into one simple PDF. In this PDF, you're going to learn how to master the act of selling. You're going to learn how to sell anything to anyone. You're going to master the psychology of sales. You're going to learn the kind of things you can tell people to make them buy from you. You're also going to learn how to create irresistible offers, how to use emotions to sell your product or your services, and how to close sales. So in order to celebrate my 1000 subscribers, I've put this entire PDF for just 3000 naira. So if I were you, I would pause this video right now. I would rush to the description to download this course for just 3000 naira this December, this November and December. Another business mistake we are going to talk about is not reinvesting. Okay, some business owners make profit and they eat up their profit. They start buying hairs, buying different things without reinvesting the profit. So even if it's just 5000 naira out of the profit you make, always try to reinvest that profit into your business. Make something better as time goes on. In fact, every single month, try to work on something, improve something. It could be your packaging, it could be to upgrade your brand, it could be to take courses, it could be to learn new skills. So no matter how small your profit is, bring out a particular amount and reinvest it into your business. Reinvest it, use it to learn something, or use it to make something better in your business. And that's how small businesses tend to grow over time. The next mistake business owners make is operating without system. As a business owner, if you keep doing everything manually, you're going to burn out in 2026. So learn how to automate, learn how to use free tools, learn how to use tools that will make your business work easier and faster for you. So now you need to start learning how to use these tools. There's Canva, there's CapCut, there's Bumper. So you need tools for customer forms, payments, delivery. So you also have to create a template for messages and have a simple record system. Make your business easy to manage and not chaotic every day. So you can use Google Form for customer infos. You can also use WhatsApp broadcast to pass messages to your customers, and you can use Bumper to track your sales. So the next mistake business owners make is chasing trends. You don't have a particular thing you're doing. You're either today you're selling perfume, tomorrow you're selling thriftwear, from perfume to thriftwear to skincare. You're changing business every three months. So the problem is no one trusts a brand that keeps changing. So in 2026, just pick a particular lane and stick to it. Stop copying trending businesses. Pick a particular lane and stick to it. That's how you build trust, because people buy from brands that they can trust. So the last mistake we are going to talk about, and before I dive right in, if you're yet to like this video, give this video a thumbs up right now and tell me in the comment section which of these mistakes you've been making. And if you're also finding it difficult to make sales, or you don't have content ideas to make content to market your product, I'm going to leave my free 30 days content idea prompt in the description. You're just going to copy anyone you want to use. Head over to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to give you a script tailored specifically to your own business, and ChatGPT will give you scripts and you use it to create content to advertise your business on social media pages. So I'm going to leave the link to my 30 days free content ideas in the
Okay. So the
description.
last mistake on my list today is expecting fast results. Most people they just start business and after 1 month, no sales, they disappear. So what you should know is that growth takes time. Before you can be visible, you need to be consistent. Okay. So growth does not just happen overnight. You need to consistently put in the effort, and consistency will always give you a reward. So just know that your business might not blow overnight, but definitely with consistency you will see the result. So in conclusion, if you want your business to blow up in 2026, you need to be visible, stop chasing trends, treat your customers right, learn sales and marketing and the rest of them. So if you enjoyed this video and you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video and hit on that subscribe button to join our amazing family, and tell me which of these mistakes you've been making in the comment section. So let's quickly have a bite of my cake. Mm. Thank you guys for watching.